You ready to work? We're working up here, not down there. All right, today we're gonna be parting out a pre-owned LiftMaster garage door opener unit. For this job, we're gonna use our impact drill, pair of snips, have a little socket adapter. We're gonna use a 5/16 socket, and we're gonna be using a 1/4 inch socket. So just pop right off. All right, just a basic light cover. Another end cap, but this is also the whole circuit control board. And these range, just depending on the model, anywhere from $80 all the way up to $199. Metal housing sells anywhere from $20 to $30. Capacitor, these sell steadily for $15 to $20 a piece. This is going to be the motor for the unit. These sell anywhere from $100 up to $300. And that's it. That's how quick it is. It does not take long at all to take it apart.